So what I'll do is I'll be like, this is James.
T. Kirk.
That's fucking, that's fence. Oh, I'm trying to picture you. James, this is Jason. And this is my created player. Fucking, this is real JD now. We'll say this is Dan. Jason, real JD squad, about to blow shit up. Alpha and Shell.
Dan, Jason?
Style. Huh?
You should say Jason and Dan, part of the JD squad.
I like it.
And then, there you go.
I like it. Okay.
Because you got the JD and then you got the JD. Oh, that's fucked up.
Wrote it all my shit. Are you all set?
Yeah, I've been rolling.
Okay.
Shut up and sit down.
My hands aren't just good. They're bad.
Blooper reel.
Edit. Blooper. Hold on, let me try to sit up first. I don't have my abs right now. A little tough. Don't throw it. Hold on. Alright. What's my line? That's my simple line. Alright. Let's get it together. Shit with a lot to my simple line. Catch. Alright, this is first test shot over the, what would you call that? The cross, the bridge. Yeah. And we're gonna see how it goes. So, yeah. There we go. There we go. Oh shit, don't go on the roof. Oh! Can we do this behind the back? No, just, I'll fucking get hit. Alright, I'm out of breath. Ready? Well, I stopped the button on my shirt. No big deal, bro. No big deal. So we do, I do YouTube videos and like fun YouTube videos and like different tent stuff. And so we're doing kind of trick shots right now. We're trying to hit that trash can over the roof and then into the trash can. And so we have our cameras all set up and we're trying to make it. So he's got his drone up in the air there up top. So we're just trying to get a bunch of good shots.
Add a little flair to the drop.
Remember the game where you put, you know, you got to smack someone's hand?
Yeah.
Like that. Just... Right.
Talking a lot and shit with shit. Bro, alright, hold on. Terrible.
We're gonna love these outtakes.
Terrible. Okay, alright, everybody. Catch with a latte.
Fuck. That was my fault. I threw it bad.
And I love you guys. Stay happy, stay humble, make somebody smile. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.